Okay. And the main thing and the main purpose which I want to join some institutes is
Yeah,
the placement part.
yeah, yeah,
So I just want some information on that.
yeah. So how placement works is because I've been in this domain for more than 10 years. What we
Hmm.
work with is the network. For example, I have colleagues over these 10 years from Mu Sigma, from Danambi, from Deloitte, from McKinsey, from Amazon, right? So what we do is once you clear everything, then I share your profile with your marks with those people, with my friends, with my network. And then I tell them, you know what, this person has an experience of 6 to 12 months with
Hmm.
whatever we have done. Now he's equivalent to 6 to 12 months. He's not a fresher anymore. So you can
Hmm.
test him. I have trained this person. They have passed with the flying marks, more than 80%, and they are right fit for the top companies now. And then,
Hmm.
they look into the vacancies and then set up the interviews based on phase wise manner, obviously. And then this is how it works. For example, Tane recently got placed in Zomato, and because he was able to show he's good in problem solving, good in concepts and everything, so that was a good win for us.